The benefit you get with manufacturing with Optikos is we have a unique specialty in metrology equipment and measuring the image and performance quality of lenses and camera assemblies. So that when we do an assembly here at Optikos, we can validate that assembly and you know the quality of the assembly that you're getting at the end of the day. We have ongoing builds that we've been building year after year that are in the volumes of 5,000 units a year. And we have various other projects that are in the hundreds to low thousands that we're planning on scaling up into the tens of thousands of units. We have highly experienced technicians. They have years of experience in optomechanical assembly and electromechanical assembly. They are able to troubleshoot independently. They can find problems on the floor that don't reveal themselves until the hardware is in-house, and they're able to identify those issues. In some cases, correct it themselves, and in other cases, go back and work with engineering to find the best solution. We have a variety of medical device and life science customers. Last year, we became ISO 13485 certified. What we want to be able to do is make sure that we are building to the quality that our customers require. We have clean spaces throughout the facility. We have blow hoods in which we can do manufacturing out on the assembly line, but be in a clean environment. And then we have clean rooms as well, in which we will have technicians and engineers that are gowned up in a laminar flow environment where we consistently measure particulate counts depending on the clean room to a ISO 6 or ISO 7 clean room standard. And that allows us to build our optical assemblies and make sure that we can maintain a consistent cleanliness level during the build so that we will have a pristine assembly coming off of our assembly line.